Hello, thank you for coming to another segment of the Methadone Dispenser tutorial. What we'll be covering in today's segment is auto-dispensing. Auto-dispensing is a process of dispensing medication without a confirmation screen. And what I'll do is that I'll show the dispensing routine without auto dispensing and with auto dispensing to give you guys an idea of what the differences are. In short, the only thing that auto dispensing does provide you is that it reduces the total time to dispense the liquid. So, and this is particularly useful for clinics or locations where you're doing a high volume of methadone dispensing. So how do we set this up? What we can do is go into the dispenser settings, and there's a check mark over here named auto dispensing. So before we set up auto dispensing, let's just do a quick dispense without auto dispensing turned on. So we can come into our dispense tab, and I'm just going to enter rogue prescription number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what I'm going to choose to do is probably dispense, say, 10 milligram of medication. So watch what happens when I click on the dispense button. So when I click on the dispense button, we get this confirmation screen. And what the screen is telling us is just a manual interaction with the user just to make sure that there is something, a container under the spout so that the medication, before it starts dispensing, it's just basically a reminder. So when I click on dispense, so we've dispensed the medication and we're done. If you wanted to confirm whether the dispensing log has been captured, so I'll just enter as you can see as I'm typing the prescription number, it is auto-generating a log, an audit log that it shows of everything that starts with these numbers or the transaction number, if you will, or a prescription number. So now let's do a dispensing routine with auto dispensing turned on. So we go again into our dispenser settings, and what we're going to do is select auto dispense, and I'm going to save these settings. Now what happens is that if I go and enter a prescription number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to use a same ID. Nothing stops you from reusing the same ID or entering a unique ID. All that will happen if you keep on reusing the same prescription ID is you'll get multiple logs or audit log records for that same prescription. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select this time 11 milligrams of medication to dispense. Now what happens when I click on the dispense button? It auto dispensed, so we do not get that confirmation screen anymore. So what this basically allows you to do is that for those who are dispensing high volumes of medication or prescriptions, what this helps is that it just reduces the time, but you have to also be careful because it doesn't prompt the user or give them time to actually put in a container to collect the medication when it is being filled through or pass through the spout. So just be careful about that. Um, well, that's all I wanted to cover in today's segment. Thank you for watching.